Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's video is all about 3 reasons why I hate credit cards. So, the first reason why I hate credit cards is that credit cards delay our wealth creation plans. See, every time we use credit cards and every time we don't pay it off and we accumulate credit card debts, it becomes a lot harder for us to pay off. And the reason for that is because of the high interest rate. And you see, if we get into that cycle of accumulating credit card debts, it will take us years and years and years to pay it off, especially if we're not disciplined enough to do so. And so the extra money that we have that's going into these credit card or paying off the credit card debt, we are not using that money for wealth creation purposes, and therefore we're delaying our wealth creation plans. You see, that extra money that should be that's being used on credit card debt should be used in shares or property or wealth creation strategies that will help fund the lifestyle that we deserve, not to pay off credit card debt. See, credit card debt or credit cards are big businesses, and companies rely on us not to pay off our credit cards because that's how they make a profit, is the interest that's charged. And so as we're accumulating debt, as we're keeping that debt for a long period of time and we're constantly paying that interest, be mindful that we actually are making somebody else rich. And so therefore we want to pay it off as fast as possible. And so that's why the number one reason why I hate credit cards is that it prevents us from or delays our wealth creation plans, and we're using our extra money to pay off interest when we shouldn't be. Second reason why I hate credit cards is it's too convenient. Credit cards does not teach us how to save. When it comes to, we all want that instant gratification. We all want everything now, now, now. And so if we want something, we'll use our credit card and we'll get it straight away. It doesn't teach us how to save. And it doesn't teach us about delayed gratification. It doesn't teach us about waiting until we have the money and then buying it down the track. These are valuable skills that we must develop and skills that we can pass on to our kids that will help them immensely when they get older. And so unfortunately, credit cards do not teach us how to save. And that's the second reason why I hate credit cards. It's that convenience factor, and it doesn't teach us to save. And the third reason why I hate credit cards is companies are pushing credit cards to us all, and it's not necessary. You see, we have facilities now that we have the Visa debit card, we have the MasterCard debit cards, where we can actually buy things using credit facilities, but it actually comes out of our savings. So why would we need a credit card? It's not necessary. And I can promise you, when you've saved for something and it's taken you, weeks or months or whatever it is, and you go out and you buy it, it is a great feeling when you know that you've worked hard for something and you bought it and you have the money there, instead of using debt to pay for it and then working hard to pay off that debt. So we definitely don't need credit cards. It's not necessary. And so they're my 3 reasons why I hate credit cards. Number 1 is that it delays our wealth creation plans. Number 2, it's convenient. It doesn't teach us to save. And finally, the third point is it's not necessary. We don't need it anymore because we have the facilities where we can use savings now to pay for things instead of debt. So that's it for this week. Hope you've got something out of it. If you have any questions about anything that I just said, if you'd like to comment, would love to hear them. Write them down below. Any questions that you have, write them down as well. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next week. Bye-bye.